The story is about two friends and a bear. The story is about two friends and a bear. Once upon a time, say with me. Once upon a time, there were two friends. Once upon a time, there were two friends. One day, they went through a forest. They went through a forest. Then they saw a bear coming towards them. Then they saw a bear coming towards them. Then they were frightened. Then they were frightened. They could not know what to do. They could not know what to do. Then they could not understand what to do. Then they could not know. They could not understand what to do. One of the friend climbed on a nearby tree to protect himself. From the bear. The other friend did not know to climb on the tree. The other friend did not know. Say with me. The other friend did not know how to climb. Then there was an idea. There was an idea in his brain. There was an idea in his brain. Immediately, he slipped on the way. Immediately, he slipped on the way like a dead man. Like a dead man. Then the bear came and said something in his ear. And the bear went away. From there. The bear went away from there. Then the friend climbed down from the tree. Then the friend climbed down from the tree and asked, what did the bear say? What did the bear say to you? Then the other friend said, who left? Tell with me. Say with me. Who left in your danger time? Who left in your danger time? He was not your real friend. He was not your real friend. Okay? Then the two friends went away in a separate way. The two friends went in a separate way. Thank you so much. I think you all understand and you can write that on your copy.